Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel as we're ready to enter the St. Patrick's Day extended weekend. March 14th, 2025, CN He's here, 2044, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian Nationals Superior Sun Main at mile plus 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Northbound on the way with what appears to be a Progressive Rail EMD rebuild of one of the SD75 IACCs on the way. But we're going to find out right now. Check them out on the roll, guys. We'll lean back and get them. Let's go. Yeah, gauge drop. Appears not. End of train devices going. And that will do it for the M343 91 of the 13th. And we'll do it for the new C6M rebuild of the 3378 Thundercab SD70M-2 8003, including ET44ACs 3067 and the 3149. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.